What? Chévere, ma. Gotta love Snoopy. Yep. So Andrea is watching Snoopy. You watching Snoopy? And good news, guys. Check this out. I have lost this week 1.6 pounds. Woo! And check it out. Congratulations. So far I have lost 13.8 pounds. Yes! Hey, next week is gonna be another pound. Hopefully. It's just another beautiful day today. A bird? Where?
A bird down.
Oh yeah, there's a bird right there.
A bird down.
Good job.
A bird down.
Yeah, he's eating. He probably found some yummy worms.
No.
Or ants.
Yeah, this. I ate this. A bird will eat this.
Yep.
Shut up. A bird, shut up.
Shh, don't make too much noise.
Bird.
The bird, yeah. Don't scare the birds.
Oh, chicken.
It's nice to hear all the birds, huh? We have tons of birds around here.
I want to see our bird.
You guys like my new shades? Pretty cool, huh? Hey! Listen to me, little girl. Yeah, I bought them yesterday. $5. $5! And they are Kenneth Cole. Pretty cool, huh? So yeah, we went yesterday to this place called Burlington Factory, and they have like brand name merchandise at very low price compared to other places, you know. That's why I got the sunglasses at $5. Well, honey, go. Oh, and I finished my steps, by the way. Pretty cool. Now this is my garden. It's looking very good. I have my tomatoes in here, my peppers. I don't know if you can see them. The little peppers. That's cantaloupe, and that's my watermelon.
Yeah, strawberry.
Yeah, those are the strawberries.
Yeah, this and
That's watermelon. Say watermelon. What?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. You wanna go see if we have raspberries today?
Sure.
Huh? Yeah, so I don't know. I was reading that we need to, you know, when the raspberries are red. What? Okay, let's go check them out. You need to wait a couple more days if they're not ready to. Yeah, don't touch them. Yeah, those are the peaches. They're not ready there yet, honey. Let's go. So let's check them out. Let's check them out. Let's check them out. Well, guess what, guys? I guess the birds knew that they were ready because they took them.
A bird did get the one too.
Yeah, the birds took them.
Yeah.
Birds. So we didn't try the raspberry.
I can't eat that.
Yeah, the birds took them.
Can you hear what? A bird will eat that.
The birds don't eat that?
No.
Yes, they do, honey. The birds eat berries.
Let's see this. A bird eat that.
Blueberries. We don't have blueberries yet, honey.
A bird will eat that.
The birds also eat blueberries. So there's a ladybug in there. Oop, it just flew away. And there was a spider over here that I think was trying to catch the ladybug.
Come on, Okay. Hi, Dad. You tired? I want to see.
No, I'm not tired, honey.
Okay.
Woo! Is that good enough? Huh?
No.
No? You want higher? Higher, 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 higher. Are you the bird eating my berries? Ha, I see you now. I know who you are. We're gonna enter the rainforest.
Yeah.
You wanna go into the rainforest? There's no rainforest. Okay, we're gonna go. This is the back part of my house. So there is a river in the back. If you remember from my older videos. Just be careful, just be careful. Yeah, see? I need to pick these things up and just throw it on the side so nobody gets hurt. There's the river.
Oh, here.
You guys see it? Yep. And birds all over the place. They're calling you. They're saying, ah, ah, Andrea. There's a spider in here. I don't know if you guys can see it.
I can't see it.
Yep, right there.
No,
See it? Wait. Here. Can you see it? Yeah. Honey, stop. Yep, that's the river. Let's go. My next project, and I think Wednesday is when I'm gonna be doing it. I'm gonna clean the circle again and put up the pool. The pool! I was thinking about buying a bigger pool, but I'm just gonna wait a couple of years till they grow up a little bit so I can buy a big pool. But for now, I think this is fine. I'm just gonna, I just need to clean that out, level it up a little bit, and it's gonna be ready for the pool. I'm probably gonna do that on Wednesday, so that's my next project. Right? You want the pool? You like the steps? Good job.
no, I did. That's good.
Okay. Good job.
Do that.
Huh?
Do that.
It's cold.